So we start off today's video with a long to short transformation. Gorgeous lob haircut, lots of body and volume with that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Here we have this gorgeous haircut and color transformation. Looks like she is getting a copper bob complete with bangs. Wow, absolutely stunning. Beautiful tousled bob haircut. I love it. She looks absolutely amazing. That color is so beautiful. Next up, it looks like someone else decided to go short with the copper color. And they ended up getting more of a pixie style. Wow, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous cut and color combo. Next up, we see the stylist doing a bit of a big chop. Nice, gorgeous textured lob. I'm loving the natural curl aspect of this one. And then we see someone who wants to get a shorter bob style. Wow, absolutely stunning texture that the stylist created, especially in the back. Wow, she looks amazing. So the stylist did a gorgeous bob haircut for this next one. Beautiful side swept bangs, stunning transformation. Wow, loving this purple and black bob. Beautiful color. Then we have this dark bob with the bangs, beautiful French style bangs. Nice, simple, and chic. So it looks like she is getting a nice lob haircut. Then we have the stylist doing more of that pixie bob style. This is becoming very popular. Looks like a bob in the front, and then you turn to the back and the sides, and it looks like a pixie. And then we have a pixie hair change here. Followed by another pixie cut. Looks like they're actually getting more of an undercut style. Oh, maybe not. Looks like they are doing a pixie. Beautiful pink pixie haircuts. Gorgeous color and cut combo. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.